Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss about the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. So at first, what are the microbes? These are the organisms which are only visible under microscope. We cannot see them in our naked eyes. They are present in different habitat. Actually, they are omnipresent. They can live in high temperature, even in low temperature, in ice, and some are live in high acidic condition, some are basic condition. Some different microbes are viruses, prions, viroids, bacteria, fungi, protozoan, and some algae. Microbes are harmful to human being, but also show some usefulness. They also have some benefits. So they help mankind in different ways. Okay. So these are some possible areas on which microbes can help us. Okay. Uh, they help us to produce different household products. They can be useful in industries. Some industrial products, we can employ microbes for producing industrial products. They are employed in sewage treatment, next production of biogas. Then some biocontrol agents can be produced by using microbes. Then biofertilizers, we can produce biofertilizers using microbes. Next, so what are the uses of microbes for producing household products? At first, for producing curd, lactic acid bacteria or lactobacillus is used. So lactobacillus is a type of bacteria used in the production of curd. LAB or lactic acid bacteria produces acid that coagulate and digest milk protein, improve nutritional quality of curd by increasing vitamin B12. Remember this point, by increasing vitamin B12. And it also check disease causing microbes in the stomach. It also improves our stomach health. Okay, next, we can also prepare cheese. Okay, cheese by using these microorganisms. Okay, different types of cheese are there. We can prepare those different types of cheese by using different microorganisms. Okay, next we can also produce dough for idli, dosa, bread can be produced by using Saccharomyces cerevisiae, or commonly called as baker's yeast. This baker's yeast make the bread fluffy. Okay, next we can also produce toddy by fermenting the sap of palm trees. Okay, so these are different household products which can be produced by using microorganisms. Okay, particularly bacteria. Next, so these are some industrial sectors on which we can employ the microbes to produce fermented beverages, then antibiotics, then bioactive molecules, some chemicals or organic acids. Next, we can also produce some useful enzymes by using microbes. Next, so what is antibiotic? What is the meaning of antibiotic? So the word antibiotic is derived from Greek word anti, means against, and bios means life. Thus means against life. Antibiotic means against life. When some disease occur, we use antibiotics to kill those bacterial cells. So these are typically they pose a anti effect on those microbes. The term antibiotics was first coined by Selman Waxman. Penicillin is the first antibiotic to be discovered by Alexander Fleming. The first antibiotic was named as penicillin after the mold Penicillium notatum. Actually, Penicillium notatum is the fungus which is used to produce penicillin antibiotic. Okay. Next, so these are some common antibiotics produced by those microbes. Suppose erythromycin is produced from Streptomyces erythraeus. Chloramphenicol is produced from Streptomyces vernizuli. Cephalosporin is produced from Cephalosporium acremonium. Tetracycline is produced from Streptomyces aerophaciens. Then terramycin is produced from Streptomyces ramosus. Next, streptomycin is produced from Streptomyces griseus. Penicillin is produced from Penicillium notatum as well as Penicillium chrysogenum. Next, brachytacin is produced from Bacillus subtilis. So these are some common antibiotics produced from these microbes. Next. So these are some following organic acids which are mainly produced in industries by using these microorganisms. For example, citric acid. Citric acid or citric acids can be produced by using Aspergillus niger. Acetic acid can be produced from Acetobacter aceti. Butyric acid from Clostridium butylicum. Lactic acid from Lactobacillus casei. Next, fumaric acid from Rhizopus nigricans. Gluconic acid from Aspergillus, from Penicillium as well as from Mucor. Next, oxalic acid from Aspergillus niger. So these are some organic acids and microbes used for their production. Next, these are some enzymes, name of some enzymes like lipase, pectinase, protease, streptokinase, rennet and alpha amylase, and which are produced by these microbes. Lipase can be produced from Candida lipolytica. Pectinase and protease can be produced from Aspergillus niger, and these are used to clear the fruit juice during bottling. Thus, homemade juices are pulpy, while bottled juices are clear. So, these enzymes used to clear the fruit juice. Then streptokinase, which is produced from streptococcus, used to clot buster for removing the blood clot. So, this is very important enzyme. Next, rennet used to manufacture cheese. Then alpha amylase can digest starch for softening bread. Okay. So these are very important enzymes which are produced from these microbes. Okay. Next. Some microbes can be employed for sewage treatment. Okay, sewage treatment, sewage containing the wastewater, the municipal wastewater called as sewage. It contains large amount of organic acids, organic matter and microbes. The sewage is treated in sewage treatment plant before it is discharged into water bodies. So, a municipal sewage system, sewage canal is connected to different house or wastewater. It collects the wastewater from the home or domestic drainages, collect the wastewater from domestic drainages. Then municipal wastewater is subjected to wastewater treatment plant or sewage treatment before releasing into the river or any other aquatic ecosystem. So at first it is treated in sewage treatment plant before it is discharged into the final water body. It is done to reduce the pollution level of water body. Some programs like Ganga Action Plan, Yamuna Action Plan is initiated by Ministry of Environment and Forest of India to reduce the pollution level. Next. So, in wastewater treatment plant, there are primary treatment, next secondary treatment, next tertiary treatment. So after the primary treatment, those wastewaters are subjected for secondary treatment, and in secondary treatment microbes are used to clean those pollutants, because microbes have the capability to biodegrade the pollution. It can break down those harmful pollutants into simpler one, making it making it less harmful for the environment. Okay. Next. Some microbes can be used to produce biogas. What is biogas? It is the mixture of gases that mainly contains methane, produced by the activity of microbes, or more commonly called as methanogens. Methanogens can produce methane. Okay. And biogas mainly contains the methane. Okay, so methane and carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide and hydrogen. So these are the components of biogas. Okay, and microbes are mainly used to produce the biogas. Okay, so biogas is an important alternative source of energy. Okay, actually generally we use non-renewable sources of energy, which are fossil fuels like coal, petrol, petroleum, diesel. But biogas, we can use biogas. Generally in India, biogas is commonly known as gobar gas and mainly used in rural areas, because cattle population is maximum in our rural area. So the biogas is easily produced from their excreta. Okay, from their cow dung or gobar. And economically the viable biogas is produced in large vessel called bioreactor. Okay, so biogas is a very important alternative of those non renewable source of energy. We can use biogas as an alternative source of energy. Okay,